Upbeat music playing. Welcome back to another gadget showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular drones, the Stone HS720G and the ATTOP Drone. Let's dive right into the features and see which one takes the crown. First up, let's talk about the price. The Stone HS720G comes in at $299, offering a range of advanced features and high-quality build. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone is a budget-friendly option at just $99, making it accessible for beginners and those looking for a less expensive entry into the drone world. Next, let's dive into the camera capabilities. The Stone HS720G boasts a 4K EIS camera with a 2-axis gimbal, which ensures stable and high-definition footage. Reviewers have praised its ability to capture stunning visuals with smooth motion. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Drone features a 2K 120 degrees wide-angle camera. While it may not match the 4K resolution, it still provides decent quality for casual filming, especially considering its price point. Battery life is crucial for any drone enthusiast. The Stone HS720G offers a solid 26 minutes of flight time, which is impressive and allows for extended sessions. Reviewers appreciate its reliability in maintaining longer flights. The ATTOP Drone, however, offers around 20 minutes of flight time with its dual 3.7 volts batteries. While it's not as long as the Stone, it's still respectable for its price range. When it comes to flight features, the Stone HS720G is packed with advanced options like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's also FAA compliant, adding an extra layer of reliability and safety. Reviewers love the versatility and ease of use. The ATTOP Drone, on the other hand, offers fun features such as 360 degrees flips, voice commands, and hand gesture recognition. While it may not have the advanced capabilities of the Stone, it provides a fun and engaging experience, especially for younger users. User-friendliness is another important aspect. The Stone HS720G is designed with beginners in mind, featuring automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and stability, making it a great choice for novices. The ATTOP Drone also caters to beginners with one-button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3-speed settings. It's particularly praised for being user-friendly for kids and those new to drones. Overall, the Stone HS720G receives high praise for its advanced features, ease of use, and high-quality camera, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced users. In contrast, the ATTOP Drone is appreciated for its affordability and fun features, although it faces some criticisms regarding battery life and performance in windy conditions. So which drone suits your needs? If you're after advanced features and don't mind spending more, the Stone HS720G is a fantastic choice. But if you're on a budget and looking for a fun, easy-to-use option, the ATTOP Drone could be perfect for you. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description. Until next time, happy flying!